Hello YouTubers. I've got quite a few blacksmithing projects I want to try to do today. Getting kind of a late start. Holy cow, it's noon. Getting a late start today. First thing I want to do is take this old bent up, must have been an eye bolt or something, straighten it out and make a hook out of it. I've got an old antique scale that I want to hang up from the ceiling in my shop. You know, I've got my antique tool wall over there on the inside of the shop, and I just need to get that hung up. And since I got the forge hot here, getting close anyway, I'm going to stick this in there, straighten it out, taper it, round it, put a little hook on the end of it, hoop-de-doo, I don't know what you call that little scroll thing on the end, and make a nice little hook that I can screw into the wall, and then I'll hang that old beam scale from it. I've got the weight and everything that'll hang there. So let's get this in there and warm it up. That looks toasty. I got it nice and straightened out. Now I'm going to bring the camera over there on that side where we can see what I'm doing. Okay, right now I just want to square it up. A couple hits and then turn. Couple hits and turn. See if I can remember how to do this stuff. Heat it back up. Okay, what I want to do now is just round off all these, flatten off the corners, so now I've got like an octagon. You know the whole drill. I want a nice, long, even taper here. This is a real nice hammer I bought when I was down at Quad State in Troy, Ohio last September. I really like it. I hope you can see that. We got a nice, it's a pretty nice, oops, don't touch your hand with it, dummy. Nice tapered piece, and now I'm going to curl that end around and then make it back into a nice hook. Okay, to curl this around, I have an old pair of needle nose pliers that I just rounded it all off nice and neat with a angle grinder so I could make a tiny little scrolling pliers out of it. And there I got my little loop made. I hope I got that in the camera and you can see it. Now I'll heat it up again and we'll make our hook. Okay, to get it started in the right direction here, we'll just hook it on here, and this will get us started. That's a way bigger loop than I wanted. Let's go to the horn here. I watch these guys on YouTube, and they make this look so easy. Avoid any flat spots if I can. Now I'm going to heat it up and just open it up a little bit. Okay, there's the finished hook. I just used I think it was an eye bolt originally that had been bent into something else. Didn't turn out too bad. Right here's the scale, and you can see the hook there, and I think that will make a nice hook to hang it by. This is the hook that you would hang something on to weigh it, and then I've got the scale there. I'm not exactly sure beyond that how it works. Looks like there's graduations along here for another weight of some kind. Not exactly sure how it works. I know it's an antique. It belonged to my wife's uncle. And now I'm going to hang it up there on the ceiling. I've just got to find a good place to hang it. I don't want it in the way, but I don't want it where you can't see it. Let's find a place. Okay, I just kept looking at that hook, and I was not happy with the way it looked. And I just put some firewood in, and I think I got a big splinter on my thumb. Wasn't happy with the way it looked, so I went back to the forge. I like it now. Before it came right straight down and hooked over like a J. And now it looks more like what you'd think a question mark. I guess that's the best way to explain it. Let's screw this into the ceiling and hang that scale up there. Well, I don't know if it's easy to see on the video here, but there she hangs. I think it looks pretty good. Another project done.